back to Toolkit. Today we're going to go over the Ego Power Pole Saw. This is the residential version. Let's get after it. Well, let's talk about what makes this pole saw a little different. I think first off, you're seeing it's an Ego product, so guess what that means? Electric with their 56-volt battery exchangeable setup. This battery is good for all of their different Ego equipment. Goes right on, snaps into place, pretty easy to use. This particular battery on this power pole saw is a 2.5 amp hour battery. That's gonna give this particular pole saw about 100 cuts of use. So let's talk about some more cool features on this unit. We've got a carbon fiber shaft that is extendable. It is a toolless extension. I can extend this pole saw all the way out to 13 feet. Pretty good. I also have the ability to add a little bit more, all the way up to 17 feet with an accessory kit that's not included. So it just gives you, in essence, another one of these poles on here. So go a little bit farther. Additionally, one of the exclusive features on this unit, I've got this LED cut line indicator. That cut line indicator is going to show me from a distance the direction that I'm cutting. Pretty nice and innovative feature. We'll see how it works. I actually haven't, as you can see, used this unit yet. Toolless on and off with the chain and bar. So I have the ability to tighten that up. Pretty nice and convenient there. On the other side, I've got a nice oil fill reservoir. Didn't quite get away from all the petroleum, so I do have to put a little oil in there, but that's to be expected on any kind of chain-driven unit. This unit's gonna have about a 5-year warranty on it, and then the batteries, of course, are gonna have a 3-year warranty. So without further ado, let's get to cutting. So we're gonna go ahead and put a few cuts in my wife's king apple tree. I've got to use caution. I'm only gonna do a few cuts here, but I'll try to demonstrate as much as I can. But without her home, and this is her tree, I think I probably better be careful. This tree is very, very old. It is a mega producer of apples. Every year we have a cider fest with just the apples off of this tree. So a fantastic tree. So it's time to prune. We're about ready to spray for the next season. So let's get after it. Well, I think that's probably about all I'm gonna do as far as this tree goes without her. I hope I haven't got myself into too much trouble. I think you can see it was relatively easy to use. Not a lot of arm strength in there, pretty lightweight. I would say compared to some of the other units that I've used in the past, this is certainly a little nicer and more convenient to use with that light weight. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of this pole saw. It's, looks like a wonderful product. Got a lot of great features on it. Some of those, that innovative cut line, LED cut line indicator is really nice. Something I haven't really seen before in the market. So those kind of innovations are kind of what I'm coming to expect from this Ego equipment. Really nice. Fits a broad spectrum for our customers of uses, from residential to commercial, to farms, to homeowners, all those good things. At Pape Machinery, we want to try to provide as much equipment as possible to our customers to make their life easy. This is just another one of those great products that we can do that with. Thanks for joining again on Pape Toolkit. Like and subscribe to our channel, and join us again next time for more great content like this. Thanks. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.